The number one skill na business owners and all teams must master is called prompting. Now, isi-simplify natin siya kasi we're gonna go deep into what prompt engineering is at paano siya magagamit ng mga teams para magkaroon ka ng unfair advantage. Because just imagine, hindi lang ikaw but everyone in your business now has the power of prompt engineering and prompting. So in this video, ituturo ko kung ano yung prompt engineering, bakit siya important, at magpapakita ako ng isang framework na even national competitions and Singaporean companies, ito yung ginagamit nila. So hi, my name is Jay Azmines and I'm an AI expert and I will teach you how to be able to use AI effectively para sa business mo so that you can scale, make more money, and save time as well. Not just your time, but the whole time of your whole operations and team. So, number one, what is prompt engineering? Basically, ang prompt engineering, it's a way for you to design yung mga prompts na ginagamit for AI. Bakit siya important? Because almost all AI tools na gagamitin natin, kakailanganin siya ng communication with AI. So that's what prompting is. It's basically just commanding AI. So lahat ng mga tools na gagamitin natin in the near future and currently using is we have to be able to communicate effectively the commands or questions na ibibigay natin sa kanya. Now, when you're doing prompt engineering, ito lang yung pinaka-basic essence niya na isi-simplify natin para magamit mo siya, maturo mo siya. Number one, it is designing. You design the prompt. Number two, you test the prompt. And number three is you refine it. So, when you start to create a prompt, itetest mo pa yan with AI. So, check mo kung ano yung magiging output niya. Sometimes, the very first prompt na makikreate mo, pangit pa yung output niya. Then, you start to test it and test it again. Check mo what's wrong with it. Check mo kung merong mga errors. Check mo kung pwede din siya ma-jailbreak. Tapos, lastly, is refine mo na siya. Kailangan mo ayusin yung prompt mo. So that's why a lot of companies right now are willing to pay a lot of money para sa mga prompt engineers na to because they are masters in designing, testing, and refining ng mga prompts. So imagine mo yung salary ng isang prompt engineer sa US, nag-range siya ng mga 4 million pesos, 5 million pesos. For some, umaabot yan for AI companies, umaabot yan ng mga 7 million pesos, 8 million pesos per year. So, yun ang mga ways para ma-understand mo kung ano talaga si prompt engineering. Next is may tuturo ako sa yung framework wherein even Singaporean companies, even companies in Silicon Valley, even national competitions in prompting and AI, naka-pattern dito sa prompt technique na to. So, the framework is very simple and easy to remember. So, it's called the Dream Prompt Framework. So, each letter stands for one specific thing dun sa prompt. So, letter D dun sa dream is called dream outcome. So, ano ba yung goal? So, when you're creating a prompt, very important na kailangan meron siyang clear na goal. If wala yung goal, may hilo si AI kung ano ba yung output na gusto mong i-create. The clearer it is, parang SMART goal, meron siyang SMART, meron siyang specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, time-bound. And you want to paint the picture kay AI as much as possible. You can even use yung voice feature para kausapin mo siya kung ano ba talaga yung outcome na gusto mong makreate at mapa-visualize mo kay AI ano yung gusto mong output because it doesn't know what you know. Next, letter R. R stands for role. Anong role ibibigay mo kay AI? Sometimes, yung solution coming from a different person, iba. Let's say, gusto mo i-grow yung business. Sasabihin ni marketing, sige, spend pa tayo on promotion. Si finance naman, sasabihin niya, i-lessen mo yung expenses mo. I-lessen mo yung mga gastos mo dito, dyan. But they have the overall same goal na palakihin pa rin yung business. So that's letter R, using the right role. Now, it can even go deeper sa expertise or level of expertise. Imagine mo, merong isang chef. Dalawa silang chef, na magluto ng adobo. Isa galing sa Michelin restaurant. Yung isa naman is day-to-day na cook. Same goal, same ingredients, pero iba maging output niyan. So that's letter R, role. Letter E naman is explain instructions. Kailangan clearly ma-explain mo kay AI kung ano ba yung instructions mo, ano yung context, ano yung background, even kung ano yung nafe-feel mo, even kung ano yung mga the smallest details na gusto mong ma-explain kay AI, na mabigyan mo siya not just a 2D perspective but a 3D perspective ng instructions mo. So that's letter E, very crucial. Dito yung magiging meat, dyan mo ilalagay majority ng instructions mo. Next is letter A. Very important to, which is action steps. Dito na, bibigyan mo siya ng step by step kung ano mo yung gusto magiging structure niya. It could also be na, let's say, after niya gawin yung first prompt, mag-prompt siya ng next na question and then a series of questions after that, so that meron siyang may ginagawang pattern, meron siyang fina-follow na structure. So yun si action steps. You can even prompt AI na after niya mag-produce ng isang output, meron siyang question na sasabihin or meron siyang next na kadugtong na gagawin. So that's letter A. And then next, it's letter M, margins. Margins are kind of like rules. Your AI needs to have rules. Bakit? Number one, kung may magta-try mag-jailbreak ng AI mo, let's say meron kang AI chatbot, tapos bigla na lang tinatanong niya ano yung mga detail, may isa kang customer nagtatanong ng details ng company mo, tapos binigay ni AI. Delikado yon. So create rules, kind of like, do not go outside of this topic. That's number one. Number two, rules na gusto mong i-follow niya, na how many characters, paano siya nakikipag-communicate, ano yung tone, ano yung style na pagko-communicate niya. Those are also rules na pwede mong ilagay. So, that is the dream prompt framework. So, D, dream outcome. R is role. E is explain instructions. A is action steps. And letter M are margins or yung mga rules. So, right now, if nagustuhan mo yung video na to, please hit yung subscribe and hit mo yung notification bell para makita mo yung next videos na i-upload natin para matulungan natin yung channel na to, because I want to be able to support Filipino business owners na matulungan din yung team nila magamit yung AI so that makapag-scale, and kapag nagawa natin yun together, we can have a chance na maging first world country yung Philippines. Now, if you also want to be able to learn prompt mastery para makita mo din paano talaga siya ginagamit on a very deeper level, in a way na practical siya for you and your team as the business owner and leaders ng organization, then see yung Exponential University course namin on prompt mastery. So thank you so much. See you sa next video natin.